Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to connect a Namecheap domain to a Blogger account. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Blogger account and you might end up over here. And these are the posts which I have right now. On the left side of the menu, we have settings. Just click on this option. And here we are going to find custom domain. Once you find that custom domain over here, as you can see, what you're going to do, just click on custom domain and you are going to paste that domain over here. Copy the domain which you have on your Namecheap and you can paste that over here. Make sure to add www at the start and after that just click on save. Once you click on save, they will show you what you need to do. We are going to add two C names in our DNS records. So how you can do that, make sure to copy all of this, and once you are at your Namecheap, you can see on the left side, you just need to click on domain list. Select the domain and at the top you will find the advanced DNS. Click on this, find host records and you are going to add records over here, both of them like this. I have already added this and I have blurred that out, so that's why you cannot see it. Once you do that, you can easily connect a Namecheap domain to a Blogger account. After that, just go back and click on save. That's it. This is all you need to know how to connect the Namecheap domain to our Blogger account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.